Hello everyone, in this video I will compare Dia browser and Arc. Dia browser and Arc are both modern web browsers aiming to rethink how we interact with the internet, but they take different approaches. Dia browser is a smart, AI-powered web browser designed to make online work easier and faster. It can summarize web pages, generate content, and help you research without needing extra tools or tabs. The browser is clean and simple, with helpful features built right in, so you stay focused on what matters. It's especially great for students, writers, and anyone doing deep research or reading online. You can also ask the AI questions directly while browsing, which saves time. While it's still growing and may lack some features of older browser, it's great for productivity. Arc is a modern web browser that looks and feels very different from the usual ones like Chrome or Safari. It has a sleek design with a sidebar instead of a top tab bar, which helps you stay more organized. You can group your tabs into spaces for different tasks, like work, school, or personal browsing. Arc also lets you split your screen, take notes, and even draw on pages, all inside the browser. It's perfect for creative people or anyone who likes to keep things tidy and visually clear. While it might take a little time to get used to it, it's fun and refreshing once you do. Overall, Dia browser is better for AI-powered productivity and research, while Arc is better for creative organization and a unique, user-friendly browsing experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.